Hey guys, welcome to my first episode of Unboxing China. I'm not Box. Unfortunately, Box wasn't able to make it today.
I'm Box.
But we've got a fresh pair of Nikes here that I want to show you all. And technically, from what I've seen online, these aren't even supposed to be available yet. So before we talk too much about them, let me just show you. These are the 2026 Nike Dunk Lows. Kind of a cringy name. But let me show you these bad boys. Take a look at that. Just see what your first reaction is. These are specifically a China line of Nikes. Now, will they be available in other countries? I have no idea. But they're definitely available in China, obviously. These are pretty slick. So yeah, take a look at these and you'll notice a few unique things about them. See that there on the string, the Nike logo with the flying horse. And if you look over here, look at this embroidery. Again, you've got the flying horse. Now, the reason that these are decorated with that design and the significance of that is because, as you know, China has 12 zodiacs. Now, right now, we're in the year of the snake. Now, these are for the Chinese New Year, not this New Year, but the Lunar New Year, the Chinese New Year, which comes this year in mid-February. So the coming year is going to be the year of the horse. And this really has a pretty big place in Chinese culture. So you might be wondering what these wings are all about, because it's going to be the year of the horse, and horses don't have wings. Well, that goes way, way, way back into Chinese folklore, and a long, long time ago. We're talking thousands of years. It was said that horses were called heavenly horses, or tianma. And back in those days, they could fly, but due to arrogance and kicking a tortoise while trying to enter the dragon palace, as part of a punishment for the horse's arrogance, it lost its wings. So anyway, if you're interested in that, you can go back and look. But there is a story, there was an old tradition, old folklore and fables. So it's cool to see that element of Chinese culture on these shoes, a very traditional aspect. And like I said, these are unique. I'm guessing that most places in the world won't have access to these. So you can see these beautiful colors, kind of beige, tan. You've got the double Nike logo. And these are from an authenticated Nike shop, so there's zero chance that these are fake. But yeah, you can see these are pretty slick. And I'm a shoeaholic, guys. I love shoes. I also really like a lot of aspects of traditional Chinese culture. Now, as you guys know, like I certainly have my issues with China, the China of today. But what I do like and really respect are the traditional aspects of China. You know, the language, the culture, a lot of parts about the history, the artwork. And these shoes are directly correlated to that. So these are pretty badass. I like them. So guys, I just wanted to have the big reveal and share it with you all. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Also, I think the perfect question to end this video on is, like I said, currently we are in the year of the snake, 2025. Now come, I think, February 17th, it's going to start the year of the horse. So that begs the question, what's your Chinese zodiac? What animal are you? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. And hopefully for the next episode of Unboxing China, we'll be able to get Box in here for a cameo.
I'm Box.
We all miss her. Take care, guys. Happy New Year.